Unlock the secrets of shopping. Understanding BOGO Clearance Sales. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and its practical uses in everyday life. Today, we're uncovering the secrets behind a popular shopping term that can help you snag some amazing deals. BOGO Clearance Sale. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or new to the game, understanding these phrases can unlock doors to incredible savings. So, let's get started. First things first, let's break down what BOGO stands for. BOGO is an acronym that means buy one, get one. But it doesn't stop there. This phrase is usually followed by another word, such as free or half off, indicating the type of deal you're getting. For instance, BOGO free means that if you buy one item, you get another item for free. Whereas BOGO half off means if you buy one item, you can purchase another item for half its price. Now, let's talk about the second part of our phrase, clearance sale. A clearance sale is a sale in which items are sold at a significantly reduced price to clear out inventory. This usually happens at the end of a season, or when a store is looking to make room for new stock. Items on clearance can be discounted heavily, making them much cheaper than their original price. When we combine these two concepts, BOGO clearance sale becomes a powerhouse of savings. This term indicates that the items on clearance, already reduced in price, are part of a buy one, get one deal. This means you not only get the clearance item at a discounted price, but you also get the benefit of the BOGO offer, leading to even more savings. It's a win-win for shoppers looking to maximize their purchasing power. To make the most out of a BOGO clearance sale, here are a few tips. Plan ahead. Know what you need or want to buy to avoid impulsive purchases. Check the terms. Sometimes, the get one part of the deal has conditions, like being of equal or lesser value. Inspect items carefully. Clearance items may be non-returnable, so check for any defects or issues before buying. Compare prices. Ensure that the deal is genuinely beneficial by comparing prices with other stores or online. We hope this video sheds some light on the exciting world of BOGO clearance sales and how understanding such terms can lead to fantastic shopping deals. Remember, the key to making the most of these sales is understanding the offers and planning your purchases wisely. Happy shopping, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more interesting aspects of the English language and its everyday applications.